Let's talk about the four-wheel drive in under 60 seconds. It means all four wheels can get power from the engine when engaged for maximum traction on tough terrain. Four-wheel drive uses a transfer case to split power between the front and rear axles, which helps you drive through mud, snow, and rocks. It gives better traction for off-road, towing, and extreme conditions. Four-wheel drive allows you to engage between two-wheel and four-wheel drive when needed for better traction, making it favorite choice for off-road enthusiasts. Follow for more car tech tips.